Final Fantasy XIV Mobile brings Eorzea to iOS and Android. Final Fantasy XIV Mobile is now available for iOS and Android devices. Tencent Games Lightspeed Studios, in collaboration with Square Enix, has announced the coming of Final Fantasy for mobile. The game development team consists of many of the members from the original Final Fantasy XIV. There are multiple playtests planned for China, which will be later followed by the game launch globally. The aim of this is to recreate the same story and combat mechanics similar to the original game. It will include non-combat features like Disciples of the Land and Hand, and all of the controls optimized according to the mobile devices to ensure dynamic combat. The game is supervised by Naoki Yoshida as producer and director of Final Fantasy XIV. The players can enjoy limited break finales, audio, and amazing visual effects. The setting of the game will be in the Eorzea. Players will be guided by Mother Crystals to safeguard the world of Hydaelyn from destruction. The game has retained the most loved music and storyline. It will follow the legacy of Final Fantasy XIV. It'll feel like a realm reborn, as launched 11 years ago and remained highly popular by winning more than 200 awards, including the ongoing Game at the Game Award. Final Fantasy XIV is aiming to expand its accessibility to its game fans so that it can be experienced by all the community members.